Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to adjust size of paper in Google Docs. To get started, open the document in Google Docs. Here in the File menu, you will click on Page Setup. After that, in paper size, you can select one of the available options. Click OK, and this new size will be applied to the document in Google Docs. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.